In this video,
we will learn how to verify FiveM game files. Verifying FiveM game files involves verifying the base Grand Theft Auto 5 installation via the launcher you are using it to play, like Steam or Epic Games. FiveM relies on these core copies, so in order to verify your FiveM file, you need to verify your base GTA 5 game. In order to do that, head into the search panel of Windows. From here, either type Steam or Epic Games, whichever launcher you're using. I'm using Epic Games, so I'll type in Epic Games, then click on Open, which will open up my Epic Games launcher. After the Epic Game launchers open, head into the library. From here, right click on the copy of GTA 5 you're using, click on Manage. In here you will find a option called Verify Files. In order to do it, all you need to do is click on the Verify button right here. By clicking on this Verify button, it will verify your game file with the master copy of Epic Games and replace any damaged game file. After the verification is done, you can minimize your launcher, open FiveM from your desktop or the search panel of Windows and enjoy the game as you please. So this is how you can easily verify FiveM game files and enjoy the game like you wish. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.